Hello, we're going to start out today by counting by ones to 75. Let's try that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, good, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Good. Okay, we're going to visit our magic wand again right here at the beginning. Okay. Again, I have, whoop, see where you can see it. Yeah, there we go. That might be a little bit better. I have 4 blue and maybe closer. I have 5 blue and 5 green again, just like I did the day before. All right, and I'm going to break this in different pieces, and we always know I'm going to have 10, but we're figuring out different ways that we can make 10. Okay, so what if I'm gonna keep, let's see, if I break the top one off, I have 1 in this hand and all of the rest of them in this hand. So if I have 1, how many do I have over here to get to 10? I could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I could do that, okay? Or I could remember that I have 5 green ones. So if I know that that's 5, I can count on from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or even faster, I can think, I know Ms. Dunning has 10, and if she only took 1 away, 1 less than 10 is 9, and that's the fastest way to think. All 3 ways come to the same answer, but it's just how fast we can get there. Okay, so I'm going to put that one back on, and I'm going to break it in a different spot this time. Okay, now I only have 1 blue one over here. All my green ones and only 1 blue one. So how many do I have in this hand? If I had 5 blue all together and I left 1 here, right, I have 4 in this hand, and I can figure that out without counting them. Okay, because I know 4 plus 1 more is going to be all 5 of my blue ones. So I have 4 in one hand. I know all of my green ones are there, so that's 5. And 1 more blue one is 6. So 4 and 6 make 10. Okay, let's do 1 more batch. Okay. Okay, oh dear. Now Ms. Dunning has all of the blue ones in this hand and 2 of the green ones. So I know all the blue ones are 5. So if I start at 5 and count on, I have 6, 7 in this hand, and I have 1, 2, 3 in this hand, because I know that I still have 10 cubes in my magic wand altogether. All right, we're going to look at our lesson for today is I can read and write addition sentences, and that's what we're going to be doing here on the board is addition sentences. This right here, this sign right there, this says plus, but it means that we're adding things together to get the whole. Like we talked about, it's a part, and this will be our whole, just like our number bond. Because we were making things that equaled something whole. This is just putting it in a number sentence. The same information that we had in our number bonds, but it's just putting it in what we call an equation or a number sentence. So if I'm going to use in my number sentence, I'm going to use the numbers 3, 2, and 5. Those are the only numbers I can put down here. And I have to figure out where I can put those numbers. So I'm going to use my Post-it notes again. And I'm going to know that I have 5 Post-it notes down here. I'm going to put them all here and then we'll move them around a little bit. Okay, so there's my 5 Post-it notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we want to put here first? You want to start trying to put the 3 there since that's just the first number? Okay, let's see. If I have 1, 2, 3 there, how many would go here? How many are left? 2. This says equals, and that's the whole. How many do I have all together? I have 5 all together. So my whole goes there. And in an addition sentence, my biggest number is always going to be after, it's with the equal sign, okay? That's my big number, always. My parts in an addition sentence are always going to have the plus sign between them, okay? Okay, so there's one way to do it. Is that the only way I can use those numbers to make an addition sentence using them? Okay, let's see. What if I moved one of those Post-it notes over? What number could I put here? How many do I have? 2. Is it one of my numbers? Okay, so I'm still okay. How many Post-it notes do I have here? 3. And I still have how many all together on my board? 5. Did I still use the numbers they gave me? Yes. Is that different? Yes. But 2 plus 3 still equals 5. Okay, let's try another one. What if I move one more Post-it note? How many are over here now? 1. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many do I have all together? I still have 5. Can I use this one? No. Why can I not use this one? Because they didn't say I could use a 1. They didn't give me that choice. And they didn't say I could use a 4. So I can't do that. I can only use the numbers that they gave me. I can only use a 3, a 2, and a 5. That's the only numbers that they gave me that I can use. Okay? Let's try another set of numbers. Let's see what we're going to use up here now. Let me see what I have written down. Okay, let's do these. This time I have a 4, and a 2, and a 6. Okay, so I know I don't have enough Post-its. Okay. Which one is my biggest number? What's my biggest number? Because remember I said, just a minute ago, I said the biggest number is always with the equal sign. The biggest number is always the whole. Okay. What's bigger, 4, 2, or 6? 6 is my biggest number, so it has to go right here. Okay, Okay? Now, so I know I have 6. Now I have to figure out how I can use these. Can I put just 1 in this box? Is that a choice? No, it isn't a choice, is it? How about if I put 2 in that box? Is a 2 a choice? Yes, a 2 is right there. So I could put a 2 here. That's a choice they gave me. And now how many do I have for my other part? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a choice? Yes. So I know that 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, that worked. Let's see if something else works. Well, since I can only use these numbers, what if I just traded my 2 and my 4 around? Would that work? What if I counted these first? 1, 2, 3, 4, and put it here. And then I counted these. 1, 2. And I still know I have 6 altogether. Are those numbers that they said I could use? By 4, yep, that one's okay. That number is okay. That's okay. So 4 and 2, part, and 6 is my whole. Okay. I'm going to try one more set of numbers. All right. Then I think you got it. So I'm going to get rid of a couple of these. Now I'm going to let you do more thinking this time, and I'm going to do less talking. Okay? So I have this number, and this number, and this number. Okay. Think first, how many do I have all together? What's my whole? What's the whole? How many Post-its do I have all together? Right, I have 4. And I can tell that down here. All right. So now, what else can I use? I can use a 3 in one box, in one part. I can use a 1 in one part. Those are the only 2 numbers that they'll let me use now, because I already used my 4. Okay. So what if I just used my 3 right here since it's close? Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I went to sleep again, didn't it? Here it comes. Okay. How many do I have left to put in that part? 1. Is that okay? Are those okay numbers to use? 3, 1, 4. Yes, they are. Okay, now let's think about switching those places. Okay, so instead of having 3 here, let's move some of these guys back here and trading the 1 and the 3 places. If I have a 1 here, and I have 1, 2, 3 in this box, do I still have 4 Post-its? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I use only the numbers that they said I could use? Yes. You are a good mathematician today. You are learning how to read and write addition sentences.